Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to build a program which will tell you the given number is even or odd. Okay, we can execute this program guys with the two ways. First way is to initialize the value to the variable, and the second way is to take the input from the user or from the keyboard. Okay, so let's start with this. Let's have a file. First I will initialize the value to the variable. Okay, I'll take a variable first. I'll initialize the value to the variable, that is a 12. I apply the if condition. In this condition, I can say if the num%2 double equals to 0. Okay. Here we have a num variable, so obviously num is nothing but the 12. Okay. So 12%2. This percent operator will give you the remainder guys. Okay. Means यहाँ पे operation execute होगा, that is a 12%2. If the remainder is 0, then the number will become even. Otherwise, obviously, it will be the odd number. Okay. So let's try to print this. Print into bracket double inverted comma number is even. Complete the bracket. Else we have a else block into the else again. Obviously, if the number is not even, it will become a odd. Number is odd. Complete the bracket. Guys, here the num will take the value 12. Okay, the operation will be like 12%2. If we get the remainder 0, then the number will become even, otherwise it will become odd. Let's save the file with the .py extension. Go for the run command. See, number is even because the number is 12 and 12 obviously it is divisible by 2 and we will get the remainder 0. So number will become even. If you want to check it, you can change the number and save the file again and execute the file again. See, the number is odd. When you change the number, when you replace this 12 by 11, it will give you the result, that is the number is odd. Alright guys, so next try for the second way. Okay, to take the input from the user or from the keyword. Here you have to use the input function. Okay, so simply we can say the input function int input function into double inverted comma mein you have to enter the value from the keyboard. So you have to say enter a number. So I can simply say enter a number, close the bracket. This small change that you need to do here. Okay, otherwise everything will be the same. Save the file again and run the module. Fine. See, it will ask you about enter the number. So I will say if the number is 15, then it will give me the output that number is odd. Okay. Again, you can execute this. Run module. Okay. You can change the number. If it is a 20, it will give you the output that is a number even. See how simple it is. Okay. I hope guys you understand this code. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.